Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a zip file on Windows PC or laptop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. A zip file is a compressed version of a larger file or folder. It's still the same file, just boxed up so that it takes up less space. Smaller files are easier to share via email and cloud storage, so compressing something to a zip is common in many things. Software manufacturers often use zip files to deliver their installer and update to customer via direct download. Accessing what's in zip file is like getting a package. So what if you want to create zip file? It's very simple. First of all, you can just open your files. Now you can just choose on the files that you want to uh, create to zip. For the example, I want to create zip file for this. Okay, you can select on the files. You can block like this. Now you can just click right and you can just choose on compress to, and you can select on zip file. So now you have create that file into zip file. My zip file looks like this because I'm using WinRAR on my PC or laptop, but if you don't use it, your zip file will be look like this. We'll close it, and here's. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create zip file on your Windows PC or laptop. And also you can check on my previous video about how to extract file with WinRAR. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.